born from the Dead Sea with the nutrient-rich Dead Sea minerals, the heart of Foof's deep powers of rejuvenation. The story of Foof, Dead Sea Cosmetics, is one of hope, devotion, quality, and the healing powers of the Dead Sea. Since ancient times, the unique therapeutic and beautifying powers of Dead Sea minerals have been recognised for their beneficial effects on the skin. Unique in its natural purity and saturated in salts and minerals. The uniqueness of each ingredient is treated in such a way that in combination they have a maximum effect on the application areas. Rejuvenate JECs began a quest to rejuvenate the look of beautiful skin. Nutrient-rich Dead Sea minerals became its most precious resource, naturally enhancing skin hydration. JEC developed formula that are unique, combining Dead Sea salts and minerals with other potent ingredients and infusing them to intensify activity. Foof immerses skin in moisture and the legendary healing energies of the Dead Sea. The promise? Even the driest complexions are hydrated.